Hello everyone, today we'll be doing a complete teardown of the Marshall Willen II portable Bluetooth speaker. For the price tag of about $100, let's see if this speaker stands up to its price. Join me as we tear down the Willen II. First things off, we'll start by removing the outer rubber cover. This is a thick, high quality rubber shell with a textured, grippy finish. It's designed to improve durability and handling, which makes sense given that the Willen II is rated IP67, meaning it's both dust-proof and water resistant. Next, we'll pry off the front grille. This grille is solid and well fitted, with a classic Marshall logo center in the front. With the grille removed, we can begin taking the speaker apart by removing 8 screws that hold the enclosure together. Once these screws are out, the back portion of the speaker can be separated from the front. The rear section will contain the rear passive radiator, which works with the front radiator to enhance low frequency response. This section also includes the built-in rear strap, which is a signature feature of the Willen series that allows the speakers to be mounted or carried easily. Next, we'll remove the driver. This is done by disconnecting the driver cable and using a T8 Torx screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. Once free, we can see the single 2-inch 10 watts full range driver. This driver is responsible for producing the mids and high. Marshall uses passive radiator instead of additional driver to boost bass while keeping the power consumption low. After that, we'll remove the battery by gently pulling it free and disconnecting it from the motherboard. The Willen II uses a rechargeable lithium battery designed to deliver up to 17 hours of playback time in a very small enclosure, with a 20-minute charge can yield 5.5 hours of playtime. Now we can remove the charging board assembly by taking out 4 screws. Now here we have the USB-C charging port, which offer better durability and allow you to quickly charge the Willen II. Next, we'll take out the motherboard and control board. This requires removing 4 screws from the main motherboard and 3 screws from the control board. We'll remove the control board first. This board handles the physical control on top of the speaker, including the power, Bluetooth pairing, and volume. The built-in microphone is also located on this board. With the control board removed, the motherboard can now be lifted out. The motherboard contains the Bluetooth 5.3 module, audio processing component, power management circuitry, and a 38-watt Class D amplifier, all packed into a very compact layout. It also has a built-in front toggle. Finally, we're left with the front portion of the speaker of the enclosure, which contains the front passive radiator molded directly into the housing. This cell design helps maintain acoustic pressure and contributes to the speaker punchy sound despite its small size. And here you have it, a simple but complete teardown of the Marshall Willen II. Overall, the internal design reflects what the speaker is built for: portability, durability, and efficient sound performance in a compact form factor. If you enjoyed this teardown or found it helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.